open my Ryan mystery egg. So that's all I'm gonna do for everything I want to do for open my mystery egg. Open one, 2, 3.
Wow, Julie, what do you have there, Mama?
So these what you have for mystery toys, and these everything you have for mystery toys. Alright, so this is what you have. So I'm gonna open them. I'm gonna ask my mom and my sister, can they open them for me? So that's all I'm gonna do for everything. I'm gonna open it.
Is that slime?
Yeah.
Wow. Let
It's
me
slime.
zoom in.
I'm gonna open the next one now. I'm gonna ask my sister. Sister, can you open this for me? I'm gonna open this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who's this?
It's a nurse. It looks like a nurse.
Well, it's Kitty. It's Kitty. Well, her name is Dee Dee. Now we're gonna go to the next one. I'm gonna open this one now.
You have to show them what it is, Mama. Wow.
It's a skateboard with the man doing it. It's Ryan doing that. Now we're gonna go to the next one. Wait, hold on, okay? He has to hold this.
Alright. Okay, so start naming everything you got. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Show everything you got.
Alright, so this is the space man that's spacing. This is the alien. And this is the cat that has surgery. And this is the spaceman that can have everything he wants to do and see if there's aliens there. So that's what you all have. Oh, and this one that I opened, and this is the one that's trying to see if there's mouses. So that's all we have. Now, we're gonna... Hope he doesn't fall. He has a skateboard. He can fall. Hi, my name is Kira. Oh, how are you? I'm good. You want to go on the spaceship together? Oh, sure I can. Come on. You're going to be the back. Wait. There's only one before you go.
So cool.
Now, can we open slime?
Hi, Julie.
I'm playing with slime.
Wow. Can I see the slime? Ooh, it's so cool.
Yeah, it's gray slime. With the stars inside it. Thank you for watching my toy review toy.